today?
Strawberries.
We're picking strawberries? Okay. We're on a farm. We're gonna get our crates, okay? These for your strawberries.
So you know what you're doing?
Hi, it's our first time.
So we're 5 acres. They're ripening in a lot of spots, so you'll have no problem filling them.
Thank you.
When do you think you will be closing?
We close at 4.
I meant, I'm sorry, for the season.
The season, we may have another week or so. I don't know. But my girls are really good at keeping Facebook up to date, so just look at that and it's to the minute.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna pick strawberries. Are you excited? Go ahead in the field, guys.
Okay, over here.
We're going in the field. We'll go where everyone is.
Walk the pole. Walk along the pole. Look.
What do you have in your basket?
It's strawberries. I can't wait to eat it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You got a humongous one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's really big?
Yeah. Is it bad? Did you well? I think
Berries, maybe? Wow, they look yummy.
let me pick a berry. I love to I need to
You see a big one? Get it. Pull it. Mia, it's right here. Just hold it right here. Pull it, Mia.
few fun facts about these most interesting creatures that you hear so loudly in the background. These are periodical cicadas, and they're part of a group known as Brood X. They have been subterranean for about 17 years, and they emerge around late to mid-April and May once the soil warms up to about 64 degrees Fahrenheit. So the loud buzzing drone you hear throughout the video is actually a mating song emitted by the males.
Coming.